How to keep iPhone apps running in the background. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to keep your iPhone apps running in the background without them closing unexpectedly. If you have ever been frustrated by apps restarting when you switch back to them, this video is for you. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. You need to simply press on the gear icon that is located on your home screen. Once you're in the Settings app, you need to scroll down and then tap on General. Now from the General, you need to scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh option. This feature allows apps to refresh their content when you're not using them, which is a key to keep them running smoothly. Make sure Background App Refresh is turned on. You can choose to enable it for all apps or just the specific ones. If you want to keep certain apps running, make sure they are toggled on. Now, scroll down to find the individual apps that you want to keep running. Tap on each app to ensure that the background app refresh is enabled for them. And that's it. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your iPhone apps stay active in background without closing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.